Hello, my name is Arga, and I am the one who's responsible for PHPifying the whole website, starting from the home page, the menu page, the about page, the order page, which is formerly the inquiry page, and also the enhancement page. As you can see, it's place your order here. The only thing that has been changed from the previous inquiry page is the products field, which is now, instead of which product you want to inquire about, it's what you want to order. And then from the drink features, I changed it to drink size. And also I added a quantity of product that the user wants to buy, the amount of them. And also the comment still same. So this is an example of an input right here. Here's the first name, the last name, the address, the superbutton, state, postcode, the email, the phone number, and the drinks, the caramel macchiato, and the chicken sub. The drink size I put in large. The food features I put in savory and spicy, and the quantity of product is 67. The comments will be less size and extra spicy. Now, if I were to press the pay now button, it will redirect me, the user, to payment.php. So session right here. Session. This whole block of code is the reason, is the sole reason it can actually retain the user's input. So since this is inside payment.php, the moment the user presses pay now, the code will create a session for the user in which it will store their like whatever the user's input was in the previous page. So for example, the previous page is the order page. So press play now. The code will create a session, or the website basically will create a session for the user, and the post is basically taking the value on each respective fields before, like their street address will go there, and it will take the value from the dashboard.
Hi there, my name is Yatharth. I'm going to be talking about the order processing workflow. So the process order.php and receipt.php in 1, 2, 3. I just wanted to show that this is the error. So Visa must be 16 digits and must start with 4. And it will also come up on the left side saying please fix the following. So here is the So I'll just do this for the name, this is the account number, and this is the expiry and CVV. Now here is the order receipt. So for the process order, I will show you right here. This is PHP My Admin. The helpers, the checking if it's actually correct for the Victoria, state and extra, the function, and then we also have. So here is the PHP code for processing the order. And of course the data needs to be valid. And this is the code for receipt.php. So as you can see, we have order ID number 4, which means this is the 4th order, and this is the 4th test of my side to see if this actually works. We have the status, which is pending. We have the order time, the total cost, the customer's details, the order details. As you can see, ice matcha and full. And then the card type. And of course the payment details as well. Over here you can return to home, and it will send you back to the home page. And if you go right here and click on the orders, you can see that this was the 4th order. I did delete the past 3, but yes, so it comes with all the details, the card CVV, the card expiry, card number, the drink, the food, what time. But yeah, that's my part.
I'm Kevin and I'm doing the manager dashboard part. So on the left side, we can see my code, PHP file code. On the right side, you guys can see my website. So here's the searching things, names, products, status, all we can search. So when we search on pendings, it shows up the results as usual. And when we search for fulfilled, then it shows the results as well. Then let's search on a name. It's Gojo. So it shows up the results as well for the names. Then it will be clear. And this is our database, like all the data we store. And here let's change some status on the orders. So I'm gonna update it to pending. So it's yeah, now it's paid. So it has been changed. So it's also happening. Then let's go back to the web page and let's change it again. Yeah, so it's happening. So it works. So that's it for my part. Thank you all, guys.
And for this assignment, I've done the enhancements page. The enhancement page has 3 different sections. One is the manager register PHP, which is a form where a user is required to enter the correct username and password in order to gain the access to manager.php. Our username and password, as required in the assignment, is a set username, which is admin, and a password that is password. When entered the correct password, the user gains the access to our manager.php page. If not, the website shows a message which is invalid username and password. When entered the correct password and username, the user gains access to manager.php, where a security check is done again to make sure if it was correct, and if not, the website takes them back to the login page. Our manager.php page has all the manager dashboard details, which is order time, customer details, order status, actions, and then a separate information table, which is a daily summary, including number of orders for the day, most ordered item today, total earnings, total money registered, and stuff shipped today. In the end, we have a link called logout button, which is controlled by here. And once a user hits logout, they are taken back to the manager register PHP page.
Out a page. So here in the login details, we can enter our username, which is admin, and in the password we can enter our password, which is the preset password, and then we click on register. It shows a message that the manager registered has been successful, and then it shows a link to the manager dashboard, which displays on for information about the order details, pending, fulfill, update, which the manager can change, or search a customer's name, search a product, and then a summary of the day's earnings, the items, total earnings, stuff shipped, and yep, that's about our enhancements.